Yo, YouTube! Hold these windows up so y'all can hear me. Bro, I just got out of work, man. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's good, man. I'm so happy it's Friday, man. I got Monday off, too. Give you a little highway POV. Maybe do some swimming. I don't know. We'll see how the traffic is. But I post POV drives, man. If y'all not subscribed, subscribe. It helps me a lot tremendously. It means a lot to me as well. Yeah, man, let's get into it. Damn, bro, that's mad traffic. Like, where we at? I ain't honest, bro. I don't even know my highways. I just know what roads to take. I-20. This I-20, man, be packed with traffic, bro. I heard that those are my intakes. Crazy drivers too, man. What is that jangling over there? Oh, it's this. What's that? But yeah, man, I don't even know what I got. I really don't got much planned this weekend. Damn, that's what I'm talking about, bro. Look at this traffic, man. Don't move to Atlanta, man. If you plan on moving to Atlanta, do not. I don't care how much, like, It sucks. Look at this dude. Can't even get home, man. Making me contemplate I might move. Talking like I can't even, I'm not in the position to move. Yeah, man, look at this traffic. Traffic's crazy. Let's see if we can, like, go around this traffic. Yeah, man, how's y'all week going? I feel like I should, instead of like making videos, should I live stream my POV? What y'all think? I've been having like a whole bunch of streaming university stuff pop up on my YouTube, and like a whole bunch of streamers and stuff. Is that like, where's that at? Where are they doing all that? Is that like in Atlanta? They're doing all that streaming university stuff? I don't know. Most likely. I will say though, I feel like Atlanta's like one of the most, the traffic here suck, but like it's like one of the, it's like right next to LA, New York, Florida. It's like one of the hot spots when it comes to like business and social media and, you know, online stuff like that, and networking. That's what I'm trying to say, networking. It's like, it's up there with networking and stuff. Is Chuck gonna let me in? Or he gonna be stingy? Oh, he gonna let me in, he gonna let me in. I be scared underneath these, man. I be feeling like they're gonna drop on my head. I watch Final Destination, man. I be on the lookout. Making sure I'm not, making sure I'm out cordial. I don't know how to say the word. In the right spot at the right time. I just ordered me a new phone, man. This phone's cooked. Yeah, this phone's cooked. Should've just passed under him like Fast and the Furious, you know? You know, I've always thought about that. What if you can get a car that is so low to the ground, you can just pass underneath it? But I doubt it. Because nowadays, they be having like a ball, like where the tires are, they be having like a side barrier. I don't know why. I think so that stuff don't go flying underneath the tires and like cause an accident. That's my guess though. what's it called? Camera fix. It looks chopped. Look, don't even look good. I was gonna do it myself, but honestly, I think I might just take it to the shop. Get that installed properly. I'm thinking what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. It's my girlfriend's little brother's birthday, so let's see what we wear tomorrow. But that's how, bro. I'm like that. Like I'm already thinking what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. My girlfriend should be telling me like, oh, why you like to be 30 minutes early? Like, I don't know. It's just I'd rather be 30 minutes early than 30 minutes late, or even on the spot. I'm like on the dot. It gives you time to collect yourself before you go and do what you're gonna do. It sounds so corny, but it's my tire pressure at. I take my car to Infiniti and they always put so much air in my tires, dude. They like max it out to the brim. Too much is not always a good thing. Oh my. RT, Durango, gap in that. Bro, y'all see how my car be moving? I don't even be stepping on the gas pedal. This like just me just feathering it. It's not moving like crazy, alright, bro. I'm not moving like mad, bro. You feel me? Like your car moves. Like yes, bro. I know an AMG with $50,000 of engine work into it gonna move. I know a GA with like $20,000 of work in the engine bay gonna move. Yes, bro, we know. But I'm saying this car moves for what it is. But I still be thinking what I'm gonna get next. Is that a bad thing? Thinking of beating myself into more debt. I was watching a video about that, saying this guy, he said he was about to pay his car off, and he was like, I think it's time for me to trade it in and upgrade. Let me know what y'all think. And everybody's like, you're getting yourself out of debt to get into more debt. I was like, damn, bro. These internet people low-key be speaking facts. But then again, you're gonna be in a nicer car. I don't know, bro. I think it just depends. Cause like a lot of people, they buy a lot of expensive cars, but bro, this GoPro sucks, man. It just died on me mid-talk. But I was saying, man, like I feel like upgrading your car to something more expensive is like worth it when you know, when you're a content creator making content around it. Obviously, it has to pay for itself. You know, me, I don't make no money off these videos I make. So if I was to upgrade or go into something better, it'd be out of my expense. It's a risk you take, you know. Yeah, well, you gotta take the risk, right? I don't know, man. I feel like I've been watching my videos lately, and my videos, I don't know if my videos suck, my videos are boring, but like, we have, I don't know. There's probably stuff I need to improve. Is that good? Garage sale? Flea market? But you know, I probably do have stuff I need to improve my videos so that we can grow more and reach the correct audience. But you know, we'll see. This dealership right here, they got mad nice cars. Last time I went, they had like a butt ton of Infinitis. All the cars they mainly got are like modified already though. So it literally looked like a little car meet. I don't know how it looks now. Car dealerships are weird, especially like the used car dealership market. When you go to a used car dealership, they have like, look at that, like bro, what is that? The car look like it was made before my grandpa. Damn, was that a cop? Ay, el policía. That's not a cop. Please tell me you're not gonna stop, bro. You can make it. You can make it. You can. That's what I don't understand about people. Am I a bad person or is he the bad person? Like, come on now. Damn. I don't know. This guy in front of me got like his foot on the pedal, like on the brake. What? Bro's like trying to brake check me, trying to get a check out of me. I don't got insurance myself. I got a mic coming in soon. Well, actually tomorrow. I'm gonna probably put that in the intake or my engine bay. I don't know how that's gonna work. Like if it's gonna overheat. But it's pretty simple. It just plugs into the GoPro and you hook it up. It's magnetic too, I think. So that's gonna be pretty. It's gonna be pretty. Damn, bro, I can't speak. It's gonna be pretty cool. See how those come out. I've been seeing people make rollers too, and they hook it up to the intake, so you can actually hear the intake, you know, while you're recording your rollers. So I feel like it'll be a good investment. I'm looking at tires too. I need to go to the tire shop get some of the tires on. I usually go to this warehouse that be selling. It's like a manufacturer. They be selling tires for like the low. Cause you know you buying it straight from the metal. No middleman. Oh, this is my spot. This is my turn, my lane. Ooh. What is Unc doing? Arching his back like that.